What's up, YouTube? So, January 11th, 2020, big old winter storm. We've been getting pounded all night long. Supposed to get 3/4 of an inch of ice. Yeah. Sleet. About 2 inches of sleet, right? Rain. That's it. Rain all day. No ice. There's no ice accumulating on the trees. Nothing. Just rain. I'm over this shit. I want snow. Can't ride a snowmobile on that. I mean, I could, but it wouldn't last very long. So, I guess maybe I should take up being a weatherman, because they're only right none of the time. You get paid a lot to be a weatherman. To be wrong. Why not?